Should it stay or should it go? Great Illustrated Classics Edition, Part 3. This first one pains me because I've tried to get kids to read it for years. They say, well, I've watched the movie, so they won't read the book. I've tried. It's The Phantom of the Opera. I've never seen it circulate the entire time I've been the librarian. It did have 20 circulations in its lifetime. It was acquired in 2009. Every patron that has ever checked it out has already been deleted from the system, and its last checkout was in 2010. It had a very, very short life with a lot of checkouts in one school year, and then nobody ever wanted it again, apparently. So it's gonna go, as sad as I am about it. My next book up is Treasure Island. I just know people are gonna yell at me about this. 42 circulations since it was acquired in 2007. The last time that it was checked out was 2023. Before that, 2022. Treasure Island is staying. I'm probably going to try and buy an updated copy, but before I can do that, that one can just stay here. Once again, I may get yelled at for this, but this next one up is The Wizard of Oz. Let it be known, I already have another copy of The Wizard of Oz that is not this great illustrated classic. It does circulate, which is good because this one has not in a very long time. In 2007, it was acquired by the library. It circulated 78 times. But the most recent one of those was in 2019. I know we've just had a new movie come out. I'm probably going to have a kid take this book home with them, but it's not staying in the library anymore. I'm going to let the other copy take over for now. Next up, Frankenstein. 25 circulations since it was acquired in 2007. Its most recent circulation was in 2020, pre-COVID. This book is going to go, but if I ever get a new updated set of illustrated classics, then I will be happy to replace it. It's just not an immediate need right now. Ivanhoe. 11 circulations since 2007. The last time it was checked out was in 2024 for one single day. I feel like that had to have been an accident of some type because the most recent circulation before that is 2018. So this copy of Ivanhoe is gonna go. All right, my next one up is Sleeping Beauty and Other Great Illustrated Classics. This is like a compilation of stories inside of this book. It was acquired in 2009. It circulated 22 times, but the most recent one was in 2019. I have a ton of fairy tales and things that kind of fill this space, so this book is gonna go. My last one in my pile for now, A Tale of Two Cities, 12 circulations since 2009 when it was acquired. The most recent circulation that has a name attached to it is 2017. Most of its circulations happened in the first 3 years that the book was purchased. So this copy is gonna go. 6 of these books are getting weeded. One of them is staying until it gets a replacement. The others may get replaced eventually, but probably not immediately. Seeing a great classic go can feel kind of painful, but I want you to know that the kids are still reading and that is what counts.